guys, in this Bluehost website tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a WordPress website on Bluehost. So a lot of internet marketers or anyone creating a website suggests using Bluehost because it has great support, free domain, one-click install of WordPress, shared hosting, and it's fairly cheap compared to some of the competition. So let's get straight into it. I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. For anyone who is interested, I put the link to Bluehost in the description below so that you guys can follow along with me. Now let's get straight into it and hit get started. So we're immediately brought to this page where you're going to select your plan. Now depending on your goal, you are going to either choose, in my opinion, basic or plus. The Prime, it has some extras on it, but unless you're planning on like building out a huge site, I don't suggest it. Now I'm specifically going for basic just because it has one major domain. I still get the free domain with this. I'm not going to pass 50 gigabytes of information on my site, and I can still put subdomains on this as well. So if you're planning on building out a big, like a huge site, then I would go with the plus. If not, go with this. And now one thing to note that got me at the start here was this price right here is when you're buying 36 months up front. So this is the monthly cost if you were to buy monthly. So just keep that in mind. So let's click through. Now you can set up a domain that you already have or get your free domain right here. So what we're going to do is do the free domain. Next page, you're just going to put in all your personal information and scroll down here where you're going to see package information. One thing to know is this is automatically on the 36-month, 3-year plan. So you're going to get a cheaper price per month, but if you can't afford that up front, you're going to have to go with 12 or 24. We're going to go for 12 here. And then there's also these added benefits that are automatically checked. Now, domain privacy protection, you don't really need this, as in my free SSL video, I'll show you how you can block people from seeing your domain. So I unclick that. Site Backup Pro, there are plugins in WordPress where you can do that, so you don't need that for free, by the way. And then also Site Lock Security, the Cloudflare video that I made on SSL will do the same thing, so you don't need this as well. And then as you can see, this will be your final price for a year, which is quite good compared to my other hosting, which I'm paying per month $11. So that's a good price, more than half of it. So yeah, put in your information, click this box right here and submit. Once you hit submit, they're gonna hit you with a couple upsells here with different upgrades. I don't know much about these, so if you're interested, go with them, but if not, no thanks. Congratulations, create your password and everything. Self-explanatory stuff here. Okay, there we go. And I just ran into a problem before actually where it might take a couple seconds for your account to set up. So when you add your password in there, it might not register right away. So just keep that in mind. Log in and everything. And now you can check your email. You're going to be sent an email with all your information. I suggest you star that and keep that for later. Okay, there we go. We are in our profile for our hosting, and what we first want to do is jump over to cPanel, and this is where you can control all the aspects of your hosting, such as your add-on domains, the statistics, your emails, autoresponders. You can install WordPress and everything. So we don't have time to go into all of this. That's for a different video, but we're going to jump into installing WordPress, and I'm going to do that all in the next video. So far you have a hosting account connected with your domain, as you can see right here. And yeah, you're all set to start building out your website, and I'll do that in the next video, which is going to be linked after this. So I'll see you guys there.